Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Auto Blog. I have made it to the New York International Auto Show. Taking a look inside the showroom from here. This is definitely not Boston. I know I said that in the last vlog, but I'm beginning to realize just how big this industry is, and it's a very humbling experience. We have about an hour to wait, so I'm just walking around checking out some of the cars that I can actually check out right now. The showroom floor isn't open to us until at 9 o'clock, and from there I'm just going to try getting the best position for the first conference, which is, I believe, the Toyota RAV4 and the new Toyota Corolla Hatchback. So here are some of the cars that I can check out right now. I'm kind of getting hungry, but I'm a little disappointed the fact that there's only Starbucks and not Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, so just got out of the Toyota press conference. I think I'm not going to film the entire press conferences. I tried doing that with this one, and it went into two separate files, so there's no way it's going to work that way. My thoughts on the two Toyotas that were unveiled. I do like the new Toyota Corolla. Hatchback looks really, really nice. The RAV4, it's almost as if Toyota's going after Jeep. They're really trying to go more rugged and go through all different types of segments, such as hybrids, stuff like that. So they seem to really try to take on everybody in their segment, not only just for like Ford, Nissan, but they're now going to go after Jeep as well. It looks like I might be skipping Nissan. Alright, so I realize that I'm taking a very daunting task doing these press conferences, especially where I'm not spending a heck of a lot of time with the cars that are on the showroom floors. But I do want to check out the Arteon. There actually is one to my left, but I can't get over there right now. I'm flexing with this camera. I've never used it like that before, and hopefully I get some good footage of this. Probably not going to film the entire press conference, because the last time I did that, it spliced into two different files. I don't want to deal with that again, so I'll just probably film it when the car is about to be unveiled. One of the downsides of being a one-man show is that I don't have anybody to help me with the other press conferences. I really wish I could have been to Nissan. I wanted to see the new Maxima or Ultima, whatever it was that was being unveiled today. But it is what it is.
The Atlas Cross Sport concept.
Alright guys, I'm heading back to Toyota. Just want to check out those cars again, get up close and personal. What do you think about Volkswagen coming out with a pickup truck out of all things? I believe that's a concept though. They have a 5-seater Atlas. Yeah, really interesting. Alright, check this out guys. We have the all-new Toyota Avalon. It's a prototype, so it's not in production yet. It's got that same Toyota Camry design. I love it. I actually think Toyota's doing a really good job right now. The new RAV4 is very masculine compared to what the last generation was, and I really like the Corolla hatchback as well. Toyota's just doing an unbelievable job, and they really are stepping up their game. Alright guys, this is our first look at the all-new Volvo V60. It's got that S90 design to it. I think this car looks really good. The last generation was getting a little bit old. I think this is a great redesign, I really do. Got like that V90 style as well. It's basically a mini V90. I just think that the overall design looks really good, and man, station wagons are really making a comeback in the United States. Yep, I had a feeling it was a T6. It definitely has those R design style wheels. Yep, this is a really good looking station wagon, and Volvo may have just hit a home run with this. So with the GT63S in front of me for the first time, I'm telling you, I'm amazed. I really am. It's got that new style that Mercedes-Benz is going with less body lines. I like it. I really do. This is just a stunning car. I like the color as well. And also, one thing to check out as well, you've got carbon fiber along the car as well. And check out this carbon fiber rear diffuser. Oh, it just looks so good, especially in the lighting right now. Oftentimes I'm a bigger fan of coupes, but as a 4-door, I think the GT looks better than the coupe version. It really does. It fits well. The design fits well for this car, especially as a 4-door.
That's so wide. That's insanity.
You know how in the last vlog I said that a lot of YouTubers don't post their press conferences? I understand why now. It's extremely difficult because not only are you fighting with the other press guys with bigger cameras, but you can't go to every single one of them, so you have to skip one. I'm debating whether to skip 2 consecutive. I just skipped Lincoln. Cadillac is next. Unless I can get a really good spot, I'm probably not going to go to that. Mercedes-Benz is after that, but I think they're just unveiling the GT63 in actual production format. So, not sure what I'm going to do yet. I may just continue walking around. There's a few cars I really want to check out, at least for press conferences. So I'll see what happens from there on, and hopefully I get some better footage and at least get better positioning. All right, so I decided to change my mind. I will be at Cadillac for this event. So far they haven't told us to move, so I'm assuming we're okay, and this is probably the best positioning I've got all day. Alright, I'm now at Hyundai's unveiling. I did make it to Acura, but I did not have a great view of the unveiling, so I'll go back to that car after. I'm starting to get faster at this stuff now, so I made it here 15 minutes beforehand. I think I've got a decent angle, and let's see what happens.
2019 Hyundai Tucson. With the 2019 Tucson,
Kia Optima needs no big introduction.
Oh, there it is.
I just came up with that.
What do you think?
Brace yourself. Heads are about to turn. This is not a half step, and there is no turning back. We're taking a hard right into new territory. Some might say a luxury sedan isn't in Kia's wheelhouse. We say, to hell with that. We're serving up twin-turbo, all-wheel drive performance and going in a new direction that is not for everyone. This is pure, dynamic substance without excess. It's nimble, precise, agile, gorgeous, seductive. You say why? We say, why not? This is a mind bender that crushes all assumptions. No further doubt, no second guessing. You'll have no words except damn. This is the new Kia K900.
I think some time has passed. I've already done the Hyundai and Kia unveilings, and now I'm at Porsche. I'm just waiting for Subaru to end. I couldn't get in there, so I figured why not get some prime positioning for Porsche. And then next is Maserati and Volvo. I think I'm on a roll right now. I'm starting to beat the press. I'm starting to get a lot faster. And yeah, so I'm going to try rounding out today, making every single unveiling.
911 GT3 RS with FISA package.
Maserati Levante Trofeo.
And because of the success of our subscription program, V60 will also be launched with Care by Volvo. The V60's sibling, the S60, will be produced at our new $1 billion manufacturing site in South Carolina, along with our next generation XC90.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Absolutely amazing day today, going to the press conferences, checking out some of the cars that just been unveiled. It's just been a big blessing to be here for the New York International Auto Show, and I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Again, I don't know what it is, I haven't put it together yet, so I'm really excited to see what happens. If I haven't gotten the shots yet for some of the unveilings, I'll do that tomorrow. There's only like one unveiling tomorrow. I think Genesis is doing something. They're doing something tonight, but I believe I have to have an invite for that. So unfortunately, I'm going to call it a day here. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've been here since about 7 o'clock. It's somewhere around 5, I think, now. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.